How to refund private servers in Roblox. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Firstly, you need to launch a Roblox application in your device. If you have not installed your Roblox application yet, you can open a preferred browser and search for roblox.com. Make sure that you are logged in into your account of your Roblox. To refund your private servers in Roblox, firstly you need to find the server. In order to do so, just click a game in which you want to refund your server. In your game, you need to scroll down until you see the option of servers. Tap on it. Wait until it completely loads up. It will display you all the private servers you have been so far and the ones that you have purchased. To refund your private server, sadly, as for today, you won't be able to refund any of the private server. You will be popped up with a confirmation Windows help that may prevent the mistake. The good news is that you will get the server right away, so refund won't be fair after use. You can use this server to invite over some of your friends and play your favorite game. So yes, you may not be able to refund your private server, however, you will be able to enjoy the perks of it. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.